Okay, so today is the 8th of January 2026, and today we'll just be taking a quick look at a Kickstarter product from the Bookoo company. This is their new Kickstarter launch product, the Bookoo Themis Ultra. So it is a coffee scale, so it's for weighing beans and such. I was a Kickstarter participant in the 2025, I think it was around maybe August or September or something like that. They announced that they'll be launching their second iteration of a coffee scale. Their first scale was the Bookoo Themis Mini, and this is the Ultra. So currently, for maybe 2-3 years, I've been using just a regular kitchen scale, which is okay for measuring 20-gram-ish doses of coffee. It's not accurate, it does drift. This one is a dedicated product for a coffee scale, and the Ultra one is sort of their modern updated version. Minimum capacity 0.1 grams, abrasion resistant engineering plastics, steel plate, food grade silicone, readability is 0.1 grams, so that's like the granularity of the coffee scale. Charges via USB-C at 5 volts 1 amp, so any chargers will be able to charge it just fine. Lasts up to 6 months, I believe, on a charge. Battery capacity 2000 milliamp hours. Made in China. So this company is registered in Dongguan, China, but I believe it was started by a group of friends in Hong Kong, actually. So I think they've grown the company. They're not a huge player, I'd say, like some of the other brands that have come to prominence over the last few years, but they seem to be well received generally. 1 year warranty on this one. This is the white version. So thank you for your support. May Themis Ultra elevate your coffee moments. The packaging is very good. It's definitely gift box level worthiness. That's the scale itself. So one thing I noticed, whoa, it turned on. Must have hit the sensor there. Cool. One thing I noticed when it did arrive into Australia was the weight of the package it arrived in was substantial. It seems to be very well built. There was a black and a white version. The black one shipped out on time to Kickstarter participants, but they had to revise some of the tooling, and I think the color of the white plastics was not to their satisfaction, so they had to rework that. But I wasn't in a rush to get it. It comes with a USB-C to C cable. This one would be a fairly standard USB-C cable, just needs to get 1 amp across to the device. You have your instruction book, overview, quick start guide using the scale, notes and safety, warranty summary. As I mentioned, 1 year warranty. There's the specs of it. You can find it on their Kickstarter launch site or the website. There was a little gift that came with it as being a participant for a Kickstarter. It's a very nice little coffee brush with a aluminium tube, I believe. Nice, very nicely packaged. Good job there. And I don't know what this is. Oh, these are masks. So to protect the finish, I presume. So they give you 3. Oh, that's quite good. So it is waterproof. Oh, so that's the silicone pad. And then this is one of the reasons I bought it, is the stunning design for a scale. So you can see the PCB hardware there and the little microcontroller chip up there and a white plate underneath. So that's the back, which is got a little card base for it. So I think this is to protect it during shipping so the calibration doesn't get pushed around or anything like that. Very, very well built. I'm quite impressed with it. So there's some instructions there to get started, but otherwise that is as it comes for the scale. Probably have to tear that out. I'll figure that out later. Alright, well that should give you an idea, and I'll probably do a follow-up video in use and after some use. Thanks.